Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off active status on Wizz app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So as of now, the Wizz app does not offer a built-in feature to turn off or hide your active status. This means that your online status such as active now or last seen is visible to other users. Even if you block someone, they may still be able to see when you are online. So what you can do is simply head over and open up your app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on the gear icon on the top right. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is look for privacy options and set your profile to private. This won't hide your online status but can limit who can see your profile. The next is adjusting messages settings to allow only messages, friends or contacts. This can help reduce unsolicited messages and interactions. Then you can also use do not disturb mode or log out when not using the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.